Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to turn in a screenshot of our logo houses. Start by clicking the Start button, choosing All Programs, and finding Duck Link, Duck Capture, because you're going to take a screenshot of your project. Then load Logo. Find your file from before by doing File Load. Remember, we always saved them in your Libraries Documents folder. Load the last one you saved. Mine was on 129 years old. Hopefully, it's been saved after that since it's 12 days into Logo. And then you need to do CS House to be able to show me what your grade is. And then for your screenshot, I simply want you to click on Duck Capture, either with the button if it shows right in front of you, or you can click down off this little button and choose the screenshot, and choose the screenshot. Drag a picture of your house, and then click on the green and white disk that saves it. That'll save it right on your desktop. You may have to minimize Logo to find it. And then visit Classroom. And in Classroom, find the post where you can open, add, and from File, you can either select it from your desktop, or if you can arrange things so you can see it, simply drop it on there. When it uploads, click Upload. You'll see it move across. And you can finally turn in your groovy little logo house for grading. When you've got that done, head to the next training video.